Hello and welcome back to Mentoring Diogo. This is session number 25, and today we'll be continuing with our Tic Tac Toe application. So, since last time we were in here, we found a little bit of a problem in our test, which I don't see right now. Where was it? Okay, it's not showing, but you can see that it's failing. I'll just quickly show you on our interface. So we cannot read properties or are undefined. So how do we solve this? We found out that we need to change this, first of all, from row 1 to 2. And then we need to add the row length so that it keeps track, right?
Yeah, if there's three plays in there.
Yeah, exactly. Everything should be working, as you can see. It was quite a quick fix, but yeah, here we go. Okay, so now we can continue.
Let's commit and push.
Okay.
Refactor.
What do we call it? Refactor, right?
Or feature. Well, actually, it's a bug. Let's put bug in there. I don't know, fix or bug. I don't know if it allows that.
Fix. Yeah. What do we call this?
Fix winner on top row. Yeah. No push. Okay. And be slow.
Do we push?
Yeah, I think so. I think it's green. Last time you pushed too fast before running the test.
Yeah, that's why I didn't push anything now, just in case.
Yeah. Usually have Husky configured, and this project you don't have Husky configured to
I think I don't have Husky configured. Yes, that's why. I think that's why it let me push. I'm so used to Husky right now that not having it complain about my test going red. It's a bit of a mess, but now everything is green, as you can see.
Okay, so let's do another one. Let's do
another test.
Let's do another test. So now we need to win it on the second row, and we need to go find out. There's a bit of a mess in here, the rows and the columns.
Yeah, because on the domain it's displayed as a row, but on the application it's displayed as a column. It's kind of weird.
This is probably my lack of knowing properly HTML. Player access row, access one. On middle row or on second row, whatever you want. On top row. And now we have to find out what is the second row.
Which will be again a mess.
So you can copy that, yeah.
Yeah. And take the R. Yep, that's fine. Okay, so now. So if this is, so this should be 1, this should be 4, and this should be 7, right?
Okay, so don't play on 7, 2, okay. So is it failing?
It should be.
Yeah,
it is failing.
So let's write a test on the Tic Tac Toe spec, and let's do a winner in here. So this is a bit weird for me because the domain is correct.
Yeah, the domain is correct, but our interface seems to be wrong, or our application seems to be wrong, right?
Yeah, it's not wrong because it's displaying in the correct place, but I don't know.
Yeah, it's disorganized, right?
Yeah.
One is organized and the other one, it's a bit of a chaos.
I think we'll leave that for now.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can grab that. Yeah, that's fine.
And this needs to be 1 0 1 1.
Is it 0 1?
Oh, it's 0. It's 1 0, right?
I don't know.
No, it's the Y that is changing. Yeah. Okay, so it's 1
1, yeah.
1 and 1, and this needs to be what, 0 1 and 2, right?
Okay. And the other one plays twice on 1, it's going to give you an error.
2, 2.
Okay.
Should be fine, right?
So it's failing. Okay.
Okay, it's fine.
Now, error position already played. 2, 2 is already played.
Why?
I don't know. Try to run again the test. Just click. Yeah. See if.
How is that possible? No,
Oh,
it's
okay.
okay. Yeah, because I was
It was from the previous run. All right. So
Yeah.
let's make that pass on Tic Tac Toe.
So we need to make something like this, a new private middle row again, or
Yeah, I think this is useful, right? Because it splits things.
the return.
Equals
Okay.
equals 1.
Yeah. Okay. Then we don't need to add a play.
No.
We just need a player on middle row, right?
Yeah.
That has a cost for row, I guess.
Yeah.
As well. Middle row.
Yeah. It's the same thing. You can just copy.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it.
Well.
Yeah. Grab the whole thing. If you grab an if, grab until it closes. Yeah. Yes. Grab the block. It's easier.
Why is this complaining?
This should all be all right.
Don't we need to change the rows?
No, because that's not the row, that's the tile, right? It's row on row 0 we have the tile, right? So that's all the same. But you need to call that from the winner. Do it below, more on game winner. And now you have a problem here. Now we need to check. Now we need to do that if player on top row. No, you already have this board. It's the one below. This board dot player on top row not equal empty. Then you return that. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Do the same for the other one. And return, just return. Return, you don't need if. Return this board player on middle row. Yeah, that should work. Let's see if this works.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. Let's go for the bottom row.
The bottom row.
You could push now because we added the feature.
Sure.
Fit winner on middle row. Okay, let's do the bottom row. Start there, yes. Bottom row.
Okay, this is exactly the same. And this has to be 2. This has to be 5. This needs to be 8. Okay, so this 1 and this could be 2. It should be failing.
Yes.
Okay, it is failing.
And now let's write the test here. No. There's a glitch in there when you wrote.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, so this needs to be 2. This needs to be 2. This needs to be 2. This needs to be 1. That should be fine.
And this should be filing, right? Test filing, cool. So let's do it on the Tic Tac Toe. Let's go back and do that. Make that past pass.
Just okay.
Yeah.
So now we need to do another private bottom row. It's this.
Yeah.
It's 2.
Yeah.
And then play the move.
Yeah. It's everything the same. Yeah.
Nope.
Oh, it's just bottom row.
row.
Now this, yeah, bottom row. Did we change the name? Did you change the name?
I don't even know. Yeah.
There's something. Go up.
Let me just.
Bottom row. Yeah, this should be working. Okay. So let's see if this all goes green.
Well, we haven't corrected the error on the winner, right? This needs to change as well.
Yeah. So you need to do the same thing.
So I make an if right here, right? With this dot word, not middle row, not equal.
You need to call the method, right? Don't forget.
Oh, yeah. Then return dot word.
Method, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, what's happening? Okay, let's see. Position already played. Oh, of course.
Yeah.
3.
3. Yeah. That's working as expected. Okay, so now all the tests, let's feed it and let's push and commit and push.
Winner.
Is that a semicolon instead of a colon in feet? Feet.
Oh,
yeah. Let's push. Okay, so now let's go back to Tic Tac Toe because okay, so let's go to the board.
okay.
You have a lot of duplication here. All the code is more or less the same, right? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's create a player on row method. So I'm going to try to unite all these player on row, pass in the a y. That's it's not a coordinate. What do you have? Can you go up to see what the types
it's a
are?
coordinate value.
Coordinate value, yes. Good. Can you do this? Can you follow my thinking and do this, or do you need help? So I'm trying to create a method that's alone. Let's put the method there and copy everything that's below. Yeah, including the constant, everything, all the method body, everything, the return as well, everything.
Oh,
yeah. So now we are going to try to do this a bit more only once. So we pass the y, right? But now we have a top row, right?
Yeah.
We want to have a method row that takes a y. No, it's fine. Don't take that away. Don't take that away. Save. Yes. Now let's go to the bottom, to the private methods. You have the top, the row, the middle row, the bottom row. Let's
So
create
you want
just
to pass a
no,
Y.
I want another method. I want to do this in parallel without breaking anything. Let's do private row. Okay, now you pass the Y. Yes, and then you copy from the others. One of the others, doesn't matter. And you say I equals Y. Yes, Y equals Y. Perfect. Now let's go up. And let's in that one, let's replace that with row with passing the Y. That's perfect, right? This is all working. Wait. I want all the tests to be green. Make sure we didn't broke anything. Let's go slowly. So we didn't broke anything, right? So we just created a player on row and a row, right? So let's go to the winner now. And instead of calling it this, let's do with this board player on row. Instead of player on top row, replace that with player on row. And put 0 there. Zero. That's the Y, right? Do the same on the line below. It's exactly the same thing, but that's 1. And there. Okay, let's see if the tests pass.
Let's see.
Right. We don't delete anything. We want to make sure that we're making safe refactorings. We didn't broke anything. Cool.
Things working.
So you need to do the same on line, wait. On line 91, you need to do the same. There's player on top row. It's player on row 0. No, player on row, not on top row. 0. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. So we've just replaced one thing with the other, right?
Yes.
So now we should have a lot of methods that wait. We more stuff to do. Go up to the board. And now we can delete
all of this.
All of that stuff. The player on top row, the player on middle row, and the player on bottom row. Delete that. Yes. Yeah. And now all the top row you see on line 38, it's already saying it's not being called. So you can get rid of those as well. So we've removed all this duplication, right?
Wow. We removed quite a bit now.
Yeah. Let's see if the tests pass.
Just waiting.
Okay.
Let me just double check just in case.
Yeah, double check, triple check, and just commit if you want and push. So you just remove duplication on the domain. Or remove duplicate. I don't know if it fits. Probably. Okay, cool. I think we can do something on the winner as well. What are we doing on the winner? The winner is doing player row. You can probably put a blank line before the second div. Yeah, there. Save. Yeah, we could do a loop in here if we wanted to.
No, I think this is fine.
It's fine. It's fine. That's up to you.
I think this is fine.
So I think this is a good moment to stop. The last one was very long. Can you actually run the app and see if we didn't broke anything? We're just again trusting the tests and we haven't seen this working. All right. Player X wins. Player X wins.
Oh.
Refresh. We haven't seen player O win. Let's try player O wins. Yeah, perfect.
It's working.
Cool.
I was worried this was not gonna work. I don't know why. I was like, maybe this doesn't actually work, but
yeah, we didn't add a test for player O wins.
Yeah, because
yeah.
I was just thinking about that. We don't have any test for player O.
Yeah.
So I can just make all of this, right? I just copy and
Yeah,
paste.
let's leave it. I think that's okay. That's
No, I
okay.
can just copy paste them and change the
Yeah,
name.
but let's not do that on the video.
Right?
You can do that after
No,
because
it's fine. It's
it's
just
fine.
1 second. Right? Should be working.
No.
Oh, well, no, because
That's why I
no.
was saying this is not so. You need to change that and you need to change the order of the playing.
Yeah, I see what you mean. And it needs to be one more, right?
Yeah. So, Diogo, let's
This
stop
needs
the
to
video
be-
here.
Sure.
People can check this on your GitHub. I think this is just, it's not going to, well, do one. Okay. If you really need to.
No. This one should be working, right?
I don't know. Up to you. I'm not following, to be honest.
Yeah.
Yeah,
This one is working. Yeah. I'll solve this. Yeah.
Yeah.
After.
So, but this is something we done. For me, the exercise is done now, right?
Yeah.
We need to do the columns, we need to do the diagonals, but it's more of the same. There's not a lot of new stuff to be done. I think the problem is I don't think there's a 9. I think that it finishes on 8. So the problem is solved, and we can leave it for people that are watching the video to finish this exercise.
Sure.
But it's going to be a very simple thing, right, from now on. You really want this to pass?
Kind of.
Yeah. Okay. Do the last one if you want.
This should be 6. This should be 3. This should be 0.
3 has already been played, so it will. I can't think like this because I've got this thing with the rows and the columns being swapped is a very
Everything is
confusing.
working.
It is all
There
working. So commit and push. Just do test.
Yeah,
test. You just added tests, nothing more. Player wins. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay,
cool. So let's stop here.
Okay, yeah, let's stop here. So thank you for joining us. For that's it, right?
I think we finished the
exercise. Yeah.
There is one more thing to do. Can you go to the application just really quickly?
Sure.
So we just finish? No, just run the application. So refresh and make someone win. I don't care who wins. I think, yeah, but you can continue to play now, right? Try to play another one. Yeah. So there's another thing that we would need to do is to stop people from playing after someone wins. I don't know if this is so useful to do, but that's a missing feature we have. So after someone wins, you should stop people from playing. There should be a status message. I don't know if we record another video on just implementing this. Or it's not worthy. I think it's a small detail, but up to you. If you want to do another
you
one,
can do it yourself if you're watching this video.
Okay.
I encourage you to do it.
Yeah, cool. So thank you so much. And
thank you so much. See you on our next project.
Bye.
Bye-bye.